have to know that faith declines. I'm not out of the mind.
Definitely thought there was going to be more people out here, but I've been on the trail for I think an hour, and I've only passed one other person. Cue the meme.
50,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
Study be making them main. No, I don't mean to intervene. I'm an outcast, I'm so fresh and so clean.
You got body rock, don't give a fuck by now. You like for my lord, you might call my lord.
So you know how I said I haven't seen like anyone else this entire time? Well, I just walked across this bridge and I was like feeling good, so I'm like, I'm gonna do this little dance move thing. And literally 30 seconds later, these people walked by, they totally saw me. It's like that scene in Hot Rod where he's dancing in the woods. I don't know if you can tell I'm so embarrassed, but I'm never gonna see him again, so who really cares? I still have about half of the trail to go, and the sun is setting in an hour. And it took me 3.5 hours to get here. So, definitely nervous. Just know that all my valuables are left in my car, and there's a part of me that every single second is thinking, is someone stealing my shit? Is someone stealing my shit? I don't think they are, but just letting you know what I think about. Guess what I'm doing? Just kidding. It was a river, it sounded like pee.
Danger been stepping in. I'm happy as I ever been. Come tell you what the cadence is. It's folded in the evidences. So you wanna leave a mark. You're honing in on Meadow Park.
Just so you know, I'm telling this a little bit out of order. I actually started the trip going to my friend Brad's cabin. He dropped these.
Did I really?
Yeah.
I thought I saw something fly off. I don't think so. I don't know if I usually use this or not, but this is awful today. Just turn your back to me.
I was gonna say something.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure you move that around, yeah.
This is what's going on with the icebergs right now.
Oh, these boys are sizzling.
Oh, those are good.
Those look pretty, don't they?
And then everyone left, and that is when my actual road trip started. And I say that's when it actually started because a big part of these trips that I do is the solitude.
Fable that we took it right from the start. I want it back. I want it back. Won't you tell me how to get it back? I want it back. I want it back. Why won't you tell me how to get it back? I I'm saying, homie, it's not what you've been sold. It's hardly what you know.
And when you're by yourself and you don't have much of a plan, you can pull over whenever. There's no real such thing as a detour because you don't have anywhere to be or anywhere to go, or no one's waiting on you. And something about that, just that feeling of there's no rush, because as a person, I feel like I'm very rushed and like in a hurry to do everything. But it's like, why?
So you wanna leave a mark? You're honing in on Meadow Park. I heard you guys are very safe. I'm caught up with the featherweights. The dawn is rising, the land ain't rising. No, no, no. Flash hope past the throat.
The solitude that I experience on these trips it's not fun, but it's important. Travel means different things for everyone, and I think just the best way to figure out what travel means to you is to travel.
Coming in very late, just above our pay grades. You asked me not to pull alarms. We have to act our ages. The dawn is rising, the land ain't rising. No, no, no. Can't jump. You wanna go the fast way. Pass away. Stay, don't matter that you find a new way. Before my eyes couldn't learn it any other way. Other way.
I remember a specific moment when Ray took me to Montreal Falls and I was there flying my drone, and I thought to myself, how many people have done this?
So please enjoy the feast. I could profit. I could rabbi. However, everywhere isn't everywhere. This is not a veil or a fairy tale in the east. So what of this relief? Some life feels good now, don't it? Don't have to have a leaving plan. Nothing's gotta ease your mind. Well, it's all fine and we're all fine anyway. Keep what you tell me, I know why. on some way, had me looking other ways. But on a bright fall morning, I'm with it. I stood a little while with it. Man, you have to know the way it goes. Forgiveness is a chore, what you waiting for? And we've been here before, and I can't ignore it anymore.